Huh? Yeah. Watch the thunder. I got a low battery! Low battery!
I got 2 people out! 2 people out! Move up the snake! Move up the snake!
Ryan, move up to Dorito. Go D1, go D1. Ryan, go D1. Go D1.
What?
D1, go to D1. Yeah, I know you can still go there. No one's in snake. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, there's a guy in snake. You guys got a snake, guy in snake. Kill with the E-second snake. Freaking beast.